Okay, we're here at the Jacksonville SQL Saturday in 2023, and I'm talking to Victor Ivansov. Victor, what do you like about COZYROC's SSIS Plus?
Hello, I'm here at SQL Saturday and I am presenter. The thing I love about COZYROC, we are paid customers since, oh gosh, I don't remember, 2017. And we're using it basically to load Excel files because the standard driver is quite quirky and will give you lots of surprises. But the COZYROC Excel library works very well for us. Contacting support when we upgraded was a quite smooth experience too. So I'm very happy with the product, and I constantly upgrade the library and very enthusiastically involve new features. Thank you.
Thank you, Victor.